I had a chance to check out the River District area of Fort Worth while I was in Fort Worth, and also had a chance to stop by the Banded Together Through Music radio segment on NTX Radio. The River District is located in the northwest area of Fort Worth, so it's easy to shoot over to the west side of Fort Worth from there, and it's also a pretty short, just about 10-minute drive to get to downtown Fort Worth from there. It's named the River District because there's the bend in the Trinity River that happens right there in this area. Most of this district is sort of within that little bend, and there's actually 2 miles of the Trinity River that cover around this area, and so that makes it one of the largest waterfront communities in Fort Worth. And you can get a sense that it is a waterfront community here just by looking at the footage, where a lot of what you see walking around this area are places to live. You got a lot of these multi-story buildings with apartments and townhomes and enclosed communities around here, and there's a lot of them that seem to be in construction and popping up. They also have some regular homes around here too, but there's a good amount of excitement around this area based on all these living options that they're putting up. And they slowly do seem to be building up more entertainment and shopping opportunities around this area. Things like restaurants and places to grab a drink for the folks who live here. But there are also offices and retail that they're putting up along here too. And you can find places for fitness and working out right along here, as well as doggy daycare center. The kind of things that tell you about the people who are living here. And I think for those folks that live here, the major offering that they're into is access to that river, which has a trail all along it where folks can go walking or biking. And the full Trinity River system has over 100 miles of trails all along the pathways there, with access to parks all along the way. It's a pretty nice thing here today, at least on the winter time, when you can walk around and enjoy it with some comfortable temperatures outside. One of the popular casual spots for eating around here is Salsa Limon, and I had a chance to stop by there on this day and grab a burrito. They also have a couple spots for live music here. One of them is Heim BBQ, serving up some really good barbecue, and they've had some live music there in the past. There's also a brand new spot that just opened up here called Crystal Springs Hideaway. It's in a 1920s bungalow. So they have a beer garden out there, a big old back area where they serve up draft beer and wine and cocktails and burgers. And they got a cheese and charcuterie shop inside. I had a chance to check it out one night, and it was packed with people, and Ginny Mac and Glenn McLaughlin were playing music up there. So that's your look at an exciting and up-and-coming little district around the Fort Worth area. And I also had a chance to stop by the NTX Radio studio. Thanks to Destiny Ray for having me come on her Banded Together Through Music segment.
If you want to be my sugar mama, I want to let you know that I really want to let you be my sugar mama, yeah. Sugar mama, oh sugar mama, if you want to be my sugar mama, I want to let you know that I really want to let you be my sugar mama, yeah. Sugar mama, oh sugar mama, yeah.
Woo! We gotta go to Peru.
They're always doing that, those sugar mamas, taking trips to Peru.
Is this based on experience or?
That's what you see on their Instagrams, you know. I'm in Peru.
I'm in Peru.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. That one's a fun one.
No, thanks. It's pretty stupid.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene around Texas on my YouTube channel. So you could click on my YouTube channel and check out those thumbnails and see which topics are interesting to you. You could check out the description below and the thumbnail that pops up here on the screen if you want to see even more videos that I've done about neighborhoods and areas around Fort Worth and where the live music is. Be sure to check those out. Thanks for checking this one out, and thank you for your support.